Spin-1 pad system. The Spin-1 pad system provides a 40 to 55 gloss quickly and inexpensively to smooth, uncoated concrete. The Spin-1 pads are made of natural hair that has been sprayed with a diamond powder and resin mixture to yield a tool that has life in excess of 15,000 square feet or 1,500 square meters. This long life is thanks to high-quality natural hair and specially formulated diamond powders and epoxy resin. The Spin-1 pads can be run wet or dry and are available in multiple sizes up to 27-inch or 686 millimeters. The Spin-1 system is made for use on concrete surfaces only and is color-coded and numbered for easy use of the system. For other surfaces that require a fast shine or for maintenance, please consult the STI website or consult your STI Registered Dealer. For the best life, production, and result, STI recommends using the Spin-1 pads on the STI propane or electric-powered PMB-21 burnisher outfitted with the tan driver. When used on a PMB-21 burnisher, the cost of the Spin-1 pad system is less than half a cent per square foot or 5 cents per square meter.